Welcome to Case Study Series in Strategy Case Study by Skilled MBA. Gaston Taratuta faced a strategic crossroads. Accept an $800 million buyout, opt for a $2 billion private equity deal, losing his chief executive officer role, or pursue an alternative path to maintain his leadership vision. This decision highlights the tension between immediate financial gain and long-term leadership aspirations. Gaston Taratuta confronted a critical choice. Accept an $800 million buyout, opt for a $2 billion private equity deal with a loss of his chief executive officer role, or explore an alternative path to retain his leadership vision. This decision was crucial for Aleph Group's future direction and strategic positioning. Aleph Group, founded by Gaston Taratuta, became a key player in digital advertising amid rapid pandemic-driven growth. The company expanded swiftly, drawing significant investor interest. Positioned strategically between emerging markets and tech giants, Aleph capitalized on the digital ad boom, enhancing its influence in the global advertising landscape. The digital advertising sector experienced explosive growth during the pandemic, driven by businesses moving online. This surge led to increased demand for digital ad services, especially in emerging markets. Heightened investor interest from private equity and strategic buyers intensified, while consolidation in advertising technology created pressure for companies to scale or consider exit strategies. Facing two lucrative offers, the decision hinges on personal wealth versus leadership legacy. The buyout offer promises an $800 million immediate exit, while the private equity deal values the company at $2 billion but necessitates stepping down as chief executive officer. This pivotal choice defines future direction and personal impact. The decision to cash out or lead forward hinges on immediate wealth versus long-term value. Accepting a buyout offers instant financial gain, while maintaining control allows for executing a personal vision. Exiting at the peak can secure a legacy, but continuing leadership builds an enduring entrepreneurial identity. The IPO strategy allowed Taratuta to maintain a founder-led vision and operational control while accessing public markets for growth capital. This approach enhanced global credibility with partners and clients, creating liquidity without a complete exit. Taratuta's decision to preserve his leadership role was pivotal in navigating public market opportunities. Aleph strategically partnered with Snapchat to expand advertising in emerging markets, and with Twitter to enhance global ad monetization. Collaborating with Mercado Libre, Aleph strengthened its presence in Latin America. These alliances were pivotal in building credibility for Aleph's initial public offering journey, showcasing its commitment to growth and market influence. The Taratuta and Vidaguren partnership exemplifies a collaborative leadership model. Over 14 years, they have built a relationship grounded in trust, leveraging complementary strengths. Their unified vision, despite differing operational styles, fosters mutual respect, enabling effective decision-making. This shared commitment ensures they maintain control while navigating complex challenges. Growth through acquisition has been pivotal. Regional expansion was achieved by acquiring local digital advertising firms, establishing a presence in emerging markets. Capability enhancement came through strategic talent acquisitions, adding technological prowess. Financial technology integration expanded payment processing capabilities. A cohesive global strategy unified operations, maintaining regional expertise. Leadership decisions are driven by emotional attachment to the business vision and confidence in future growth. A strong partnership with the co-founder ensures strategic direction control, balancing personal wealth with a leadership legacy. The philosophy emphasizes building something meaningful, not selling the company. Mission-driven leadership focuses on aligning business goals with core values. Trust-based collaboration enhances decision-making and stability. Strategic market positioning and alliances are crucial for competitive advantage. A scalable business model, supported by a robust acquisition strategy, ensures sustainable growth and adaptability in dynamic markets. Founder-led resilience ensures long-term vision execution beyond immediate financial gains. Strategic partnerships offer stability during critical decisions, acting as a vital asset. Choosing an initial public offering path can secure growth capital while maintaining leadership autonomy, enabling leaders to navigate complex financial landscapes effectively. Consider the balance between immediate exit and sustained leadership. The Tara Tuta Vidaguran partnership exemplifies collaborative leadership, crucial for navigating initial public offering risks versus private equity. Alef's choice reflects strategic foresight, influenced by emerging market dynamics. Apply these insights to enhance your leadership journey, ensuring decisions align with long-term vision and market conditions. Thank you, and Alef's decision to pursue an initial public offering over private equity was influenced by the potential for greater capital access and market visibility. The Tara Tuta Vidaguran partnership exemplifies collaborative leadership, balancing risk and opportunity. Emerging market dynamics, such as economic volatility and growth potential, played a crucial role in shaping Alef's strategic direction, highlighting the importance of adaptability in leadership.